Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you how you can improve the speed of the face unlock. So at first, when you're going to make the face unlock, it goes like that. Wait a minute, we get some kind of the problem. Okay, right now it works. Okay, so as you can see, it was pretty slow, right? So if you want to speed it up, you have to go for the settings, and next you have to find the biometrics and the security. Go for the face recognition. Let's input the pattern and then use the faster recognition. So let's check how it works right now. And as you can see right now, it's slightly faster. So as you can see, that's how we can speed up your normal face unlock. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.